How to fix Fantasy Life The Girl Who Steals Time is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And while you're waiting for this to be done, you can go back to the general tab, and in the launch options box you can add -dx11, or you can try D3D11 if the first command did not fix the crash. Next, you can close out of Steam and open up the NVIDIA app, or whatever app you use to get the GPU updates for your graphics card. So for NVIDIA graphics card, you will need the NVIDIA app installed, and then you can go to the drivers tab from here. And then you can basically select Game Ready Driver, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest available version. And if you have it already, you can perform a manual reinstall by clicking this button here. And the last part is to open up your browser and search for Redist, and then click on the first link. Now you will need to scroll down to the second table and make sure to download both of these redistributables, the 86 and the 64 version, and install them both on your computer. And once these are done installing, it will ask you to restart your system. And once you restart your system, you will need to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can proceed to open up the game, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.